In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve SEO settings in Kajabi. Kajabi has built-in SEO and sharing settings across your pages, landing pages, blog posts, funnels, and even your overall site, and dialing these in makes a real difference in how your content appears in search results and when links are shared on social media. For each page or blog post, you'll want to set 4 key items. First, the page title. This is the text that shows in the Browser tab and becomes the clickable headline in search results. Make it clear and specific to the content on that page. Aim for concise phrasing that highlights the main benefit or topic, and include your primary keyword naturally without stuffing. Think in the range that reads cleanly on a search results page and supports your brand voice. Next, the page description, also known as the meta description. This short summary appears beneath the title in search results and helps users decide whether to click. Write 1 to 2 sentences that plainly explain what someone will get from the page. Keep it engaging but honest, and include a gentle call to action or a clear value statement. Each page should have a unique description that aligns with the on-page content. Then, set the page URL or slug, which is the part that comes after your domain. Keep it short, meaningful, and easy to read. Use lowercase, separate words with hyphens, and avoid extra words or punctuation. A clean slug like pricing or a podcast setup is easier for both users and search engines to understand. Finally, choose a page image or social share image. This is the image that appears when your link is shared on social platforms or messaging apps. Pick a clear, high-contrast image that represents the page content and looks good at various sizes. A landscape image with minimal, legible text tends to share well and reinforces your brand visually. To set these in Kajabi, open the specific page, landing page, or blog post in the editor. Go to Edit Details and look for the SEO and Sharing section, or it may appear under Page Details, depending on the page type. You'll see fields for the title, description, URL slug, and social share image. Update each thoughtfully, then save your work as you normally would. These same principles extend to funnels and your site-level settings, so keep your titles, descriptions, slugs, and images consistent with the content on each destination. Revisit these settings whenever you update a page, and you'll steadily improve visibility, clarity, and click-throughs across your Kajabi content.